What's going on, friends? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now this is a video you guys have been waiting a long time for. I am just about to reveal the new car that I recently purchased. Now before I go and reveal that car, I gotta give a huge shout out to the wife. She got me a 1.99% interest rate on this car. I was blown away. She has like an 825 credit score. So anyways guys, this car is just something that I wanted to get because it's like an awesome daily driver. It's like a luxury sport. It's very clean. The interior is extremely nice. It's totally different than the GTR. I am gonna mod it. I am gonna build it. It is gonna be a super awesome car. So with all of that being said, guys, let's take a look at this car in 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's right, guys. The new car is a 2018 Audi Rs5. I absolutely love this car. Now, don't think that we're not going to be seeing the GTR. I still have huge plans for the GTR. And now that I've got a daily driver, I'll have more options and availability to turn the GTR into this crazy, awesome supercar, race car that it's supposed to be, while also simultaneously building the RS5. Now, I'm going to wrap the car, I'm going to get rims for the car, like I said, intake, exhaust, probably E85 in a tune, so this car will definitely be a really fast car. Let me show you guys some of the awesome features in the interior. All right, so first off, one of my favorite things about the car is the perforated leather steering wheel. It's got the nice red stitching to match the stitching of the seats. Let me show you the seats too real quick. So as you can see, we've got a really awesome like hexagon design red stitched seat. Super comfortable. And the most crazy thing about these seats, there are massagers in the seats. Dude, you can literally be driving down the road getting your back massaged while you drive this car. I mean, it's got a lot of luxury features. There's a lot of carbon fiber. Check this out. So we've got carbon fiber all across the dash. It runs all the way across to here. It runs to the doors. Let me make the lighting better. There, so it runs up the doors. And then we've got the nice Alcantara leather wrapped door with the nice leather and red stitched doors. One of the craziest features is, so here's the map, the navigation, and here's this thing down here. So what you can do is, let's say you want to go somewhere. I'm going to type in Sacramento. Watch this. S-A-C. This is literally me. Okay, well, it messed up. But anyways, yeah, you can literally like type or like spell out words on this pad. It's like a touchpad. It's pretty sweet. So you just do that and then it can kind of guess what you're trying to do. I typed a little too fast. All right, so this car features a 2.9 liter V6 twin turbo engine. It comes stock with 444 horsepower, quattro all-wheel drive system. So the car drives well, it handles well. You can take it to the snow, you can launch it. This car does have launch control, so we'll be seeing that in the future. I'm gonna get a nice carbon fiber intake to replace this. What's awesome too is the downpipes are just right here, so there's easy access to those. This is the ECU right here, so if you ever want to mod or update or swap out the ECU, it's right here for easy access. Okay, so I came to this spot, this parking garage that I like to come to because there's normally nobody here whatsoever. I can do my vlogging, I can take pictures, get some drone shots, some video stuff. In fact, this is the same parking garage from the beginning of this video. And I get here and I'm going to the top and it's all blocked off. I'm like, what the hell? And now as I'm parking, I'm like, what's that music? What's that noise? So if you guys listen, do you hear that? Up on like the top floor of this parking garage, they're having some type of like concert ensemble performance of some sort. So I'm here and I'm gonna try to do my vlogging anyways because this is a really good spot and the lighting is better here. So you're just gonna have to bear with the noise in the background. I'll do the best I can. The car also has a dope menu if you wanna dial in the ambiance of the car. So right now I have the lighting set to purple. So what's cool is you can change the color of these lights right here and the ambient light down here, watch. I like to keep mine purple. I think that has a really sweet vibe to it. And then if you look over here, this light right here is a little bit green. So I can change that the same way. So I got mine purple. And then also there's a footwell light option. You can see it's purple as well. So it creates a nice vibe within the car. So you can really customize the look, the drive, the feel. Everything about this car is really customizable. Now, one of the last things I want to show you before we wrap up this video, one of my favorite features about this car is the trunk space. It is so big. Let me show you just how big it really is. Let's open this up and check out just how big the trunk is. What in the, what?